how to fix your posture. Are you suffering from a forward neck like this? Are your shoulders become rounded? Is your original posture stooped and you are always prone to working on computers with a stooped posture? If this is so, hi, I am Dr. Apurva Kadam Thakkar from Team Joints and Motions, and today we are going to talk about a very simple but yet a very important topic about how do you fix your posture. Okay, so posture is something that everybody needs to look into. Posture initially people used to tell us that you have to sit straight completely 24/7 and you have to be in a certain posture. But today in the modern world we have understood that sitting straight 24/7 is not the right way. So here is two simple tips that we are going to talk about today about how in your routine life can 1-2 single steps help to fix your posture. So right now, as we can see, here we have Shipra with us. So can you look forward? Somewhat more? Okay. So her neck is slightly forward head posture, and her shoulders are also rounded. So one single step and her posture will get better. I'm not saying that this is going to fix your posture, but this in a long term, when you keep on practicing, this is going to help you keep your spine erect and prevent any further problem. So this forward neck posture, as you can see, has developed because of long hours of sitting in a wrong posture, sitting in the front of PC with wrong ergonomic of the desk position. Her rounded shoulders are a result of sitting like this on the PC for a long time. So if you also have such similar issues going on through your routine life, this is what you should do. Okay. So firstly, now you can see her posture. It's forward head and the shoulders are also rounded. Now just relax your body and just take your shoulders slightly behind. Now when she takes her shoulders slightly behind, all her muscles in the scapular region, in the upper back region, they are getting recruited. So one single step of taking the shoulders behind is going to help with the protracted position. So shoulders retract karna hai. Then her neck is in forward position. So our spine has a curvature which has a slight curvature in the neck. But here with Shipra, the neck is way too forward. So just chin tuck. No, just take your chin a little inside. Yeah. So we are telling her her neck is like this. We are just asking her to tuck her chin behind. Okay. So with this chin tuck and with the shoulders slightly behind, now you can see her posture is so much better than what we had started. So two simple things that I told you now is one is chin tuck and one is shoulders behind. Now Shipra, just relax. Okay. So now you can see when she is relaxed, again her neck is gone into forward head and shoulders have again become rounded. With just slight retraction and chin tuck, now her posture is better. So thank you, Shipra. So as you can see that two simple steps will help you to fix your posture. This is not something that you should be continuously sitting in, because after working for such a long time, you will realize that again you have gone into a stoop posture and a forward neck posture. So for this, every 1 hour, every half an hour, just make sure that your posture is correct. Okay. So it is obvious that you will land up again in a poor posture, but you have to keep correcting your postures. Okay. So shoulders retracted and chin tucking is what you should be following. Now, a lot of patients ask us that we do have forward, stoop posture. So can we use those retractors or can we use those belts which fixes our back in a certain manner? It's like a cross strap which will pull your shoulders behind and keep those shoulders in this way. Now, just for example, you're wearing a belt. Your belt fixes up your pant and prevents it from falling. Okay. So likewise here, when you're using that belt, your muscles are actively not doing anything. They will just get used to it and they will stay in that position. Active muscle contraction nahi hone wala hai. So when you use that belt for a very long time, when there is no muscle contraction, the muscles are going to become weak. So in this stage, what you need to understand is that if you're using the belt, I'm not saying that don't use it, but if you're using it, use for an hour, then remove it and keep it. Your body should not be dependent psychologically and physically on the belt. Okay. So you need to practice the retraction exercise as much as possible, shoulder retraction with your hands like this, so that your muscles, the upper back muscles are getting activated. Otherwise the body will be dependent on the belt and you will not be able to achieve active muscle contraction, and muscles eventually will go into weakness, and ये posture जो है, stoop posture जो है आपका, वो बढ़ते जाएगा. So the minute you remove the brace, again the muscles will fall into a poor posture, and again muscle का strength नहीं बढ़ने वाला. So two things that you need to remember here is, one, how to fix your posture is frequently you have to be conscious, you have to be mindful about how you are sitting. You cannot sit in a poor posture for a long time. So you have to keep changing the postures. So I'm not saying you being straight 24/7. You have to keep changing your postures. So for example, if you're sitting like this for some time, but you get a call in between, walk during the calls. Use headphones during the calls, because if your neck is going to be in this position, again it is going to hurt your neck, your upper back muscles, your shoulder, everything. So if you have calls in between, walk and use headphones. So that will, keep moving your body, keep the fluids moving in, and the flexibility will be better, the joint stiffness will be less. Secondly, keep moving after every 1 hourly or 1.5 hourly, so that your muscles are activated, your joints is loose and flexible. Thirdly, if you have a lot of sitting position, and if you can switch, then place the laptop in a position in a way that you can use the table, stand and work for some time, so that you don't maintain a certain posture for a very long time. When you move, multiple joints, multiple muscles are getting used, so that will help to use all the muscles and reduce the body stiffness. Thirdly, one important thing that you need to do is, when you have a forward neck and a stoop posture, just two things: shoulders behind and neck behind. Okay, so shoulders behind, and that becomes chest forward and chin tuck. So this important step is going to help you fix your posture. So hopefully you have understood the importance and how do you fix your posture in one single step. So practice two simple things. Practice mindfulness of getting up and keeping on changing your postures, and I hope that this video will help you to some extent. If you have any doubts regarding what kind of posture, how ergonomically you have to sit or do other work and any other things, you can reach out to us. We are located here in Hiranandani Estate, Thane, and you can also DM us or send out your queries.